In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up for meetings on Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks and trying to organize a meeting, you'll know how important a streamlined system can be. Let's walk through the process together so you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, open your browser and head over to Monday.com. If you already have an account, you'll notice a login button in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now, if this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account or another email associated with your Monday.com account. Don't worry, it's a simple step, and if you've logged in before, you'll be directed straight to your workspace. Now here's where the magic happens. To effectively set up for your meetings, you might want to create a dedicated board. This is where Monday.com shines, allowing you to manage agendas, action items, and meeting notes all in one place. To begin, look to the left side of your screen. There's a plus sign button. Give that a click and select Boards. You have the option to start with a new template, and while you can certainly build from scratch, utilizing existing templates like the meeting agenda can save you heaps of time. Simply type meeting agenda in the search box, and once you find it, click on Use Template. Don't forget to customize it. Adding columns for agenda items, action items, and assigning individuals can be a game changer. Don't just limit yourself to the basics though. Consider adding columns for due dates or detailed meeting notes. This can really elevate your meeting management game. It's also important to organize your meetings efficiently. You can use groups to sort meetings by project or topic, allowing you to track agenda items and action easily. Clearly define the meeting's objectives and agenda. Setting a clear purpose not only keeps your team aligned, but also ensures that every meeting is productive. Now, for a seamless experience, utilize integrations for scheduling. Monday.com allows you to integrate with calendar apps like Google Calendar or Outlook. This means you can schedule your meetings directly within Monday.com, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for successful and efficient meetings that save you time and hassle. With Monday.com, everything you need to set up and run your meetings effectively is at your fingertips, making team collaboration more productive than ever. That's it, you're all set to manage your meetings efficiently on Monday.com.